Some birds, it seems, hold funerals for their dead. When western scrub jays encounter a dead bird, they call out to one another and stop foraging. The jays then often fly down to the dead body and gather around it, scientists have discovered. The behavior may have evolved to warn other birds of nearby danger, report researchers in California, who have published the findings in the journal Animal Behaviour. The revelation comes from a study by Teresa Iglesias and colleagues at the University of California, Davis, U.S. They conducted experiments, placing a series of objects into residential backyards and observing how western scrub jays in the area reacted. The objects included different colored pieces of wood, dead jays, as well as mounted, stuffed jays and great horned owls, simulating the presence of live jays and predators.